Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're around it. Everyone falls down sometime, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, some days you wake up and...
So what have you enjoyed so far about A-level product design?
So far I've enjoyed how we've been able to go straight into manufacturing our products, because I really enjoy using all the different machinery and how I've been able to use different tools and such as the lathe for my project.
And what are you really looking forward to next then?
I'm really looking forward to being able to work with resin for the future project, and also being able to expand my SketchUp skills for the future. But yeah.
Nice, thanks. Welcome guys, thanks very much for doing the video for us. So I just wanted to ask, what have you enjoyed so far at A-level that was different to GCSE?
Well, the difference between GCSE and A-level, that for A-level you use a lot more computer-aided manufacturing, so you can produce a lot more things in 3D design and Google SketchUp, and I find that really enjoyable.
And what about yourself?
I like how there's a lot more freedom, so not really like there's no set route, so you can go really wherever you want and do whatever you want.
Brilliant, okay. And with your existing project so far, what are you currently making?
I'm currently making a cafe and a sign for the cafe, so essentially all I have is the theme of the cafe and I'm free to go wherever I want, like with the contents of the actual creation. My sign is the same for the cafe, it's just an elaboration of the inside, but for the outside of the cafe.
And obviously both scaled down models, not full-size cafes,
Yeah.
but yeah, no, that's really good. And then yourself? A little bit
So I'm
different?
making a perfume bottle, and it can be for whatever target market you want. So my target market is girls of my age, so it's quite easy to help ask my friends and other peers to see what they think about my designs to help me develop.
Your designing skills are fantastic, your CAD skills are fantastic. What's something that you don't feel very familiar with or very confident with this year yet, but you're going to challenge yourself to overcome, ready for next year?
Ready for next year, I would like to be more comfortable with the manufacturing techniques, because although I do enjoy doing them, I find it a bit stressful, like trying to make sure that everything's right and all the measurements are correct.
Brilliant, that's a good way to challenge yourself. All right, well thanks very much for that. So, what have you decided to do for your A-level project?
So, as a gymnast, I know that air track equipment is really heavy, so I've decided to design a product that helps with transportation of it.
Okay, and what about you?
Well, at my dance school, I noticed that the bars and equipment we use often take ages to put up and put away, so I'm trying to create a new bar that will fix that.
Okay. And obviously we've moved on to the Year 13 theory content. What's the biggest difference or a subject that you've found that you're looking forward to studying?
I'm really looking forward to studying the business side of it and the legislation surrounding products and what you can and can't do.
And do you hope to go on to set up your own business or something like that in the future?
Potentially, yeah.
Good. And what about yourself?
I'm excited to learn about all the sustainability and how to make my product environmentally friendly, which I think is really important, especially now.
Great, thank you.
What would you say the biggest change is from A-level?
The biggest change is the freedom of what you can do, the amount of work given, because obviously you'll be doing 2 projects at once in year 12, which will require a lot of good time management and just organisation skills.
What have you found most interesting about this year so far?
Most interesting about this year so far has been the amount of different processes and manufacturing processes that we're open up to this year, and the very brief design context that we are given, so we have a lot of freedom with what we want to do, what we want to design, what we want to develop and investigate.
Feeling good, like I should. When in dark.